Okay, 75 says that figure 3 of a tile pattern had figure 4. So let's just do this. Let's do figure. I'm just going to make a table real quick. And number of tiles, right? Number of tiles. So, all right, at not the greatest table, right? Figure 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they tell us figure 3 has 11 tiles and figure 4 has 13 tiles, right? So that means we're adding 2. So that means to go backwards, we need to subtract 2, right? Minus 2, so that's 9. Minus 2 is 7. Minus 2 is 5. Okay, and the reason I wanted to go back to 0 is because 0, 5 is important because that's the y-intercept. So we know now that the y-intercept is 5 and the slope is right there is 2. So if I have the equation y equals, and if we were going to color code it, m, right, x plus b, right, let's pick that b, okay. So there's the color coding, right? So we now know that it's y equals 2x plus 5 is the equation of the line. And then it says how many will figure 50 have? So we get y equals 2 times 50 plus 5. Y equals 100 plus 5. So y equals 105. So it will have 105 tiles, right?